The Better Chicken Commitment, BCC, is a welfare policy designed by experts to improve the lives of broilers by replacing fast-growing breeds with healthier, slower-growing birds and giving them more space, natural light, and enrichments. But what does this policy mean in practice, and why is it important for the food industry and the consumers? First, let's look at the problem of fast-growing breeds. These are chickens that have been genetically selected to grow very quickly and produce a lot of meat. However, this rapid growth comes at a cost. The chickens suffer from health problems such as lameness, heart failure, and chronic pain. They also have poor quality of life because they are crowded in barren sheds with no room to move, perch, or dust bathe. The BCC aims to address this problem by requiring companies to use breeds that grow at a more natural rate and have better welfare outcomes. These breeds are healthier, more active, and more resilient to stress and disease. They also have more natural behaviors such as pecking, foraging, and socializing. Second, let's look at the benefits of more space, natural light, and enrichments. These are environmental factors that affect the well-being of the chickens. More space means less overcrowding, less stress, and less aggression among the birds. Natural light means a more normal day-night cycle, which helps regulate the chicken's hormones and metabolism. Enrichments are objects or features that stimulate the chicken's senses and encourage them to explore and play. Examples of enrichments are straw bales, perches, pecking blocks, and music. The BCC requires companies to provide these conditions for their chickens, which improve their physical and mental health. More space, natural light, and enrichments also reduce the need for antibiotics and other interventions that can compromise food safety and quality. By adopting the BCC, companies are showing their commitment to animal welfare, sustainability, and consumer satisfaction. The BCC is supported by over 200 leading food companies in the U.S., as well as animal welfare organizations, scientists, and veterinarians. The BCC is the leading set of standards for broiler welfare, driving the food industry towards higher welfare practices. The co-op members have overwhelmingly voted to adopt the Better Chicken Commitment, BCC, at the annual general meeting on May 20th, 2023, but the co-op board has partly overruled them, citing the need to offer good value to customers. The BCC is a leading set of standards for broiler welfare that aims to improve the lives of chickens raised for meat. It includes requirements such as using higher welfare breeds, providing more space and enrichment, and using more humane slaughter methods. By adopting the BCC, the co-op members have shown their support for animal welfare, sustainability, and food safety. They have also joined over 200 leading food companies that have committed to the BCC in the U.S. However, the co-op board has decided to only implement some of the BCC standards and not others. For example, they have agreed to use more humane slaughter methods, but not to use higher welfare breeds or provide more space and enrichment for the chickens. The board has argued that fully adopting the BCC would increase the cost of chicken products and make them less affordable for customers. They have also claimed that there is not enough supply of BCC-compliant chicken in the market. But these arguments are not convincing for many co-op members and animal advocates. They have pointed out that higher welfare chicken can be produced at a reasonable cost, and that there is a growing demand and supply for it. They have also accused the board of ignoring the ethical and environmental implications of continuing to use low-welfare chicken production practices. The co-op members and animal advocates are now calling on the board to reconsider their decision and fully implement the BCC standards. They are also urging customers to voice their support for higher welfare chicken and boycott low-welfare products. They believe that the co-op has a responsibility to align its actions with its values and respect the wishes of its members.